Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most commonly used string functions in Oracle, the length function. If you have ever needed to find out how a long piece of text is, whether it's a name or a description or any text value, the length of the function is for you. Here you can see the syntax also. Select length of string from the earlier. So let's start with the length function as well. It does. Quite simply, it returns the numbers of characters in a string. This includes any letter, space, or special characters. It's perfect for checking the size of the text in your data in the database, right? Here is the syntax for the length function. That is select length from where, right? So inside we have to write a string. Check the mode. See, here I am writing on common string that is over the right. This is our channel. Right. If I'm executing this, something you thought yes. Change underscore. Okay. See, here the count is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space also you think, right? As I told you earlier, space also you think. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. It's not Java indexing. It will not start from 0. It will be start from 1 only. Okay. Yeah. Here 12 letters are there, right? So like this, the syntax will be started. Okay. I'm having what table that in real time, how we'll see in table level and column level operation. See here, I'm having one department table, the department and department, right? So now the requirement is that I want to calculate the number of cats in the department. So some set of length only I have to maintain. That's why first of all I have to calculate what is the maximum length and minimum lengths are there. No. So that for classification purpose I write on and length of linear, right? See. So linear where is the see accounting 10 characters are there. Research 8 characters are sales, 5 is there, operations 10. Like this you can able to find the length of the each string or character. Right now. Yeah. It's about the length function guys. So in future videos I will explain very thoroughly that how to add with how many spaces, words, like some interview questions will be there. So that now I will be uploading this length. Please be up to date. Please press the bell icon. And please subscribe, comment and share my videos to friends and contacts. Yeah. Thanks for watching them. Have a nice day. Bye.